Meaning of dogmatism.
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 Dogmatism. Dogmatism refers to an attitude where someone holds rigidly to their beliefs without considering other viewpoints or evidence that contradicts their own. The result of dogmatism is often closed-mindedness, intolerance, and a lack of willingness to engage in critical thinking or consider alternative perspectives. This can lead to a lack of progress and innovation, as well as a tendency towards conflict and division rather than collaboration and cooperation. It is important to remain open to new ideas and evidence in order to avoid falling into the trap of dogmatic thinking.